Fred Chaoul annual Nano Center meeting. So I think that I participated in the first one as a master student. No way. 12 years ago. Okay, so no, so I didn't. But I remember participating as a master student in these meetings, and it was a great opportunity to hear all the great stuff that we are doing around campus. So to gather chemists, biologists, engineers, medicine faculty. So I would like to introduce Yael Hanin, the director of the Nano Center, of the Nanoscience and Nanotechnology Center, to have some greetings.
So thanks, Lehi. And actually, this is a good opportunity to say a few words about the history of the center. So the center is actually 18 or 19 years old. So it was the first in Israel. It was founded in 2000. So long before me or Lehi and many other here. So this is the 12th meeting. So we didn't do it every year, on average every year and a half, but every year or second year. Really the point of the center and most of the activity and most of our funding effort and manpower is spent on nano equipment. But it was realized at the inception of the center that it's very, very important also to focus on building the nano community. And these workshops are actually one of the tools that we use to build the nano community. There are many other activities like this workshop as the summer school and winter school that we do again every year or every second year. And this is really a major part of the mission of the center to build this nano community, really focusing on multidisciplinarity. So having people from chemistry and biology, dentistry, engineering, chemistry, and physics all together in one place for 2 days without being able to escape and hopefully enjoy the food and a good atmosphere and terrific talks. This is the point. So clearly I hope that this will be achieved. The other thing that I need to do is to thank a lot of people. So first of all, I would like to thank the international invited guests. We have 3 of them with us. Two. And so it's wonderful having you and Nathan. And it's an opportunity also to mention to everybody, remind everybody of the Tel Aviv Northwestern Initiative. So Nathan here is one possible anchor point, so use the opportunity to nag him about it. Other people to thank, many people to thank. So Lee and Chaim organized this workshop, so huge thanks to them. Of course, and we will make many more mentioning of that, Miki and Noah for making something incredible like this happen. And I'm very disappointed that there's no logo of the center on the maps, but I think this will be compensated in the next meeting. The last thing probably that I should mention at this point is that the day after tomorrow, when we conclude the meeting, we will give scholarships, excellent scholarships, or prizes rather. So there are going to be quite few of them. So be there. And we're going to award the Best Posters Award. I selected several outstanding student awards, and that's pretty much it for now, but maybe there will be a few more. The Gertner. There's the Gertner Excellence Awards that will be also part of the special session. So all this is for the students, focusing on the students and giving them recognition for excellence and excellent work. And I think that's it. Let's hope for a wonderful, not hope, it will be a wonderful meeting. The scenery is fantastic and everything is great. So we're on time, on budget.
Thank you, Yael.